Hey, it's Gina from WTI, and I have found what I think is a total showstopper leather bag. There are a lot of things about this Montana West Hobo bag that I really like. The first one is that for me, it's the perfect size. So I'm always losing keys or my chapstick or something else inside my bag if it's too big. But if a bag is too small, then I can't fit in everything that I really need. The second thing I really love about it is just how beautiful it is. Like the fringe and the crisscross and V-shaped leather tongs, and also the small gold accents. I think that they're really pretty without being overdone and flashy. Also, this color is just stunning, and I love that it perfectly matches my sunglasses. That way, if I'm wearing an outfit that maybe just has some very plain and neutral colors, I've got this beautiful pop of red that just really brings a lot of life and brilliance to what I'm wearing. This bag is so soft and really well made. I have a couple of Montana West bags, and both of them have been very durable, and I know that this is going to last me a long time, and it's a style that is really timeless. It also comes with two different handles, which I really like. This also comes with a zippered pocket on the back for concealed carry. Now, I just chose to use that as an extra pocket, and I think it's really quite beautiful, and it doesn't take away from the overall aesthetic of the bag. I'm really pleased with this bag from Montana West. It's just beautiful. I love using it every single day, and that's my point of view.